So in order to understand the price discrimination, I have pasted a very nice concept checker or practical example. So just pause the video and try to read the question, and then we're going to solve it together. Okay, let's solve it together. Let me just read the question. An airline knows that there are two types of travelers, business travelers and vacationers. So let's highlight the information here. There are two types of traveler, business traveler and vacationer. For a particular flight, there are 100 business travelers that want to pay 600 for a ticket, but 50 vacationers that want to pay 300. There are 150 seats available. Suppose the cost to the plane of providing the flight is $20,000, which includes the cost of the pilot and flight attendants and fuel as well. So how much is the profit with the airline earn if it sets the price of a ticket at 600? What if the price of the ticket is 600? Who can afford? Out of 150, only 100 people can afford, 50 you are left behind, right? So what is the answer here? Profit, right? We're talking about the profit. So what is the answer here? That 600 multiplied by 100 seats is equal to 60,000 minus the cost 20,000. Answer is C. See the answer? C. Right? And now, how much additional profit can the firm earn by devising price discrimination relative to charging a flat price of 600? So remember, we are talking about additional profit in above this 40,000. So if discriminatory prices, then company can also allow these passenger as well. So company total revenue will be 100 seats will be sold at 600. Answer would be 60,000. 50 would be sold at 300. Answer would be 15,000. Right? 75,000 would be the sale. 20,000 is the cost. 55,000 is the profit. How much additional? On the top of this 40,000, 15,000. Right? That's why the answer is A. Right? So this is the benefit of having price discrimination. Monopolist profit increase by 15,000, and all the 50 vacationer they are adjusted as well. Right? Here it is. We have finished our chapter 15. I would be uploading the assignment 5 to the group and also on the Blackboard. So please remember the instruction that only handwritten assignments are acceptable, or if you are using ePen, and also respect the due date. That's all from for our today's lecture. I hope you understand that. If you have ambiguity and any query or question, please do write us in our WeChat group, and I would really appreciate if one student put the question and others also try to answer it. It really gives the motivation to the teacher as well that the students are participating in the group and they want to learn as well. Okay, so I hope you complete this lecture on this weekends, and we're going to have a Zoom meeting as well. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay safe, stay at home.